today we're going to go over how to draw Lambert from Cult of the Lamb, okay? It's going to be seriously easy, okay? Step by step for beginners. Let's get started. First thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to start with kind of the hair, because he's like a, like a sheep. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to go kind of like a U shape, and then connect to that another U shape, okay? Going to pull out, down, over here, out, down, bump right here, kind of for the bottom part of the mouth, so it's going to be a little bit wider. And I'm going to kind of curve it over here, more or less making a straight line, and it's going to connect right here, alright? So far so good, so far real simple and easy, okay? Cool. I'm going to go over here and draw his eye. So one eye is going to make an expression over here. Like, huh? Circle. This eye over here, and this is going to be a full circle. He's only making an expression with one eye. Like so. Cool, cool, cool. Draw a V shape for the mouth. I'm going to draw a curve right here to find the black part, the pupil here. I'm going to go over here and draw the same thing on this side. I'm going to draw a straight line over here. Curve, curve here. Straight line over here, curve like that. That's going to be the highlight, okay? Now we're going to fill this in. So Lambert is a pretty, I would say, relatively cute character. I would say if you want to learn how to draw anything cute, like if you want to take your dog, or you want to take like just something like anything and make it and cutify it, go check out the cute drawing ebook. I'm going to put that in the description, okay? Go down there, check it out, take a look, and yeah, completely free. But yeah, go down to that first link, and I'm going to do that cute drawing ebook for free. Okay? But yeah, it's kind of like, so when you think about cute, what do you think of? Like big heads and something like that? It has nothing to do with the size of stuff. It has to do with the scale of something, and that's kind of the major part, right? So the eyes proportion. So the eyes are big compared to the head, right? Like that's a big part of it. It's like not just a giant head. It's like, oh, the eyes are big on the head and stuff like that. So, and I have a chart on it. You can take a look at it. It takes like 2 seconds. You can just take a look. But yeah. In that ebook, I'm gonna go over here, up, curve, over here, out, curve down. As I keep pulling back here a bit, there's gonna be bumps on the top of his head. We're gonna have 3 bumps. 1, 2, 3. Curve, straight, curve, curve down. Okay. That fuzziness right on the sheep. Gonna go right here and gonna have his ear sticking out. So I'm gonna throw maybe like 1, 2, 3 bumps there. Gonna draw a line out for the folded ear, curve in. His ear is like folded out. Gonna go this far end, same thing. Out, curve. And now I'm gonna draw more or less a straight line right here. Curve up. And complete there. Cool. Let's draw his hat. Gonna go right over here. That's like a horn. Horn. This is like a goat or something, right? Goat or a sheep. I'm gonna go right here for his hat. Up. Kind of like an M shape. Up over here. Down here. Now, right here, we're gonna draw a very simplistic shape right here. We're gonna draw a curve for an eye shape, like a hieroglyphic eye. Line there. Okay? Cool. Go over here. And by the way, if you like this character, hit that like button. It's gonna let me know whether you guys, your fans, are out there doing this or not. So absolutely hit that like. That's a collar. And then right here, I'm gonna draw kind of, I think it's like a pendant circle. Dot, dot. Line below. I'm gonna go over here, curve out, over here, out, down. He's wearing a poncho. So move it down over here, up a little bit, down, up over here, over there. Okay, he's wearing a poncho. Marshmallow style hand. His feet are very similar, but just a little bit longer. Down over here. Curve underneath. Now I'm gonna fill this in. Just fill it in right there. Fill it in. Cool. I'm going to draw a line here along the actual poncho. It's going to have a design. So, line like so. And I'm going to draw another line the exact same way. Don't forget to subscribe right away. Let me know what you think of the lessons. Now I'm going to fill in this hat because that hat is dark as well, okay? Fill that in. Let me know what you think of the lessons. It's you know, kind of fun to do these step by step together, but I want to hear your input on it, right? So let me know. Doing pretty good, doing pretty good. That can mostly be it. I'm gonna throw a little bit of a thicker line around the outside of the character, not totally, but just a little bit, to give it a little bit more of like that sticker-like look. Don't forget to check out our main website. We have a sticker on there right now, but we're gonna have several stickers on sketchingeasy.com. Go check it out. Right now there's a Godzilla sticker up there, but where Godzilla's doing art. Curve around here. Line over here. Just kind of giving it that you know, containment, which really works. Alright, that's it. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Let me know what you think in the comments. Say hi to me, by the way. I said I reply to every single comment, okay? Talk to you later, and I'll see you soon.